words are those? Josie, what's this one? Clock.
Apple. Boy.
Bear.
Daddy.
Tractor.
Horse.
House.
Bow.
Cake.
Doggy.
Doggy, very good. What about door?
Over.
I don't know. Let's go to this one. Back up. What's this one? What's that? Shoes? What's this?
Sock.
Good. What's that?
Hat.
What's this? What's that one?
Sheet.
Shirt. What's that one?
Boot.
Boot. Good. What are these?
Go away.
Gloves. Turn the page. Oh. You're going to the next page? What's this?
Meat.
Meat. What's this?
Baby.
Airplane?
Daddy.
Are you smart? Josie, are you smart?
No.
Are you... Can you say please?
Baby.
Can you say thank you? My little girl's smart. I love her.